on the main day of CES, Alcatel providing for us 3 new telephone arrangement, 1 lead level, another mid extent, the other section level, and a partridge in a pear treeeee. Alright, well they really didn't give us anything, yet rather saw 3 new telephones from their up-and-coming arrangement lineup. TCL, which is authorizing rights to Alcatel's cell phone business, will present the lineup as an expansion, not substitution, to the idle telephone arrangement. The Alcatel 1, 3, and 5 arrangements will all be set at various value focuses, yet will share top-of-the-line highlights like 18:9 shows and face opening. While evaluating hasn't yet been reported, the 3 arrangement could be the most intriguing contender, at the correct cost. We had an opportunity to investigate the Alcatel 3V, and keeping in mind that specs haven't been nailed down yet, some broad impressions have been made. As guaranteed, a 18:9 show is utilized, yet best and base bezels are as yet noticeable. Show innovation hasn't been made authority, however the unit had a pleasant, lively screen. Using a unibody development, the 3V has a gleaming metal back, where you will additionally discover the unique mark sensor and double cameras. Indeed, double cameras are available on this mid-level advertising. Organized vertically, the 3V's cameras may well separate it from the 1 and 5 arrangement in a genuine and huge way, yet ODR execution will be a major factor in its significance. The 3 arrangement, alongside whatever remains of Alcatel's new lineup, will be itemized to facilitate at Mobile World Congress in late February. Until the point when then we can just hypothesize on valuing and accessibility, yet it appears that the correct cost can set these gadgets in a place to take a few fans. It stays to be perceived what number of those will be stolen from Alcatel's idle arrangement, or its rivals.